Hello guys and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I want to announce a new update for the Bulletproof YouTube videos plugin. Until now it supported Google Drive, Dropbox and FTP saving locations for the grabbed videos. However, starting from now I added also OneDrive support for it. So let me show you real quick how to work with this. So if you update the plugin to version 1.1, you will see OneDrive API key here and OneDrive API secret. So let's go to the link that the plugin creates here. And here you will be able, after you log into your Microsoft Azure account, to create a new app. So click on new registration. Here you have to enter a new app, and here be sure to click accounts in my organizational directory and personal Microsoft account, because the OneDrive is on your personal account, not in the organizational directory. So please be sure to click here personal account, because otherwise the API will not work with the plugin. So check this, redirect URI. Here you must enter the red URL that the plugin suggests. So it will be here and here. Just copy the red link and paste it here and click register. This will create your application, and this will be your API key. So copy this, paste it here in the plugin settings, and now we must create also a client secret for working with the plugin. Click on certificates and secrets and click on new client secret. Give it a name and click expires never. This is important for you to work with the plugin on the long run. Click expires never and click add. This will create this client secret and simply paste it in the plugin settings. Don't bother using these client secrets and API keys, because I will delete them after I finish this video. So now click save token and we can go to backup to OneDrive. This is the new plugin menu that was added in the latest update, and here we can add a keyword search. If you want to check the full functionality of the plugin, please check the other tutorial videos. This will allow you to understand better how to work with the plugin. In this video I want to solely focus on the OneDrive module for the plugin. So let us enter a query search, short funny, and here we will have some more settings. This will change the name of the uploaded file. It will be the same as the title, and with the .mp4 extension it will go in the directory Bulletproof videos on OneDrive. This is, let me show you my OneDrive. This is my OneDrive right now. It is not synced with the cloud, only these two files, and this will select which video quality to get if it's available. And here are some advanced settings for the YouTube search, but let me uncheck this and create the rule to demonstrate the plugin's functionality real quick. So before we can go ahead and use this, we have to click authorize OneDrive. I almost forgot this. I must assume this. So before we can use this, we must click here authorize OneDrive. Otherwise, if we go here and click run now, it will definitely fail, as you can see, and in activity and logging section we can see the error. Okay, now let's go to the main settings and let's just hit authorize OneDrive. So if we hit here authorize OneDrive, we will be required to sign in here and let this app access your info. It tells you about OneDrive access and file access. Click yes. And the plugin will be redirected back to the page from where you started, and it will be authorized successfully by OneDrive. So now we can go to backup to OneDrive once again, and once again sorry for forgetting this for the first time. And now if we click run this rule now, we will have to wait for a while for the plugin to grab content from YouTube and to upload it to our OneDrive directory. So we are waiting this out, and also the plugin will create the Bulletproof Videos folder, and it should appear. Already it appeared in our OneDrive, and it is empty because it did not finish uploading the content yet. So let us wait for this to finish. As we can see, the folder is already created in our OneDrive. So yeah, the copying the time that the copying requires depends on your server's performance and also the file size of the video that you copy. However, this should not be more than a couple of minutes. So I am hoping that this will be finished soon. So still no video uploaded, but the process is still rolling. So this is still processing. Okay. I am working here on my local server, which might have a slower network connection because the server is on my laptop and I have a wireless connection to a router which is quite far away from here. So if you put this on your server, it should work much faster because, as I said, I have a wireless connection here. So as you can see, the video appeared here and the plugin will be over processing soon. Okay, so if we download the video, let's try downloading the video now. And it's downloaded, I think, and here it is. So this is the funny video that we copied from YouTube, and now it is saved to our OneDrive. So as you can see here, you will be able to put the path that will be on your OneDrive. So here you can put also multiple directories. The plugin will be able to create them one by one. So if you put here multiple directories like this, then the plugin will create all of these directories and put the video in the last of them. So if you wish to go with this structure, then the plugin will be able to also create the directories for you. Okay, so yeah, this is the new functionality that was added in the latest update for the plugin. I hope you really will enjoy this because OneDrive is a cool little backup service to have, especially for your YouTube videos. So yeah, this is all for this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed it, and you can check the plugins link in the description. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as I said, and hit also the bell notification because I release a new video each day at 8 p.m. GMT. So yeah, this is all for now. Have a great day, stay safe, bye bye.